It was my first seminar and it was very interesting for me. I had a very strong feeling inside of me, and yesterday I like very much the seminar because we do a very nice exercises and a exchange, and it was nice to know the other people better. It was very good for me, and it was also nice to know me better, which kind of man I am, because we learn all the 12 facets of the man. And what I missed a little bit in the seminar, it was to make more strong meditations, really, that I feel really the spirit a little bit more. But it was a very nice experience and I would like to do it again.